Good morning everyone. Today's topic is circular flow of income. Circular flow of income means unending flows of production of goods and services and income and expenditure in an economy. As you all know, in an economy, you can see a globe also. In an economy, there are various transactions. You can say endless transactions, and the base of those transactions is money, and income is related with money. So we'll study about circular flow of income. The first topic of this chapter is stock. A stock is measured at one specific time and represents a quantity existing at that point of time which may have accumulated in the past. So I have mentioned the example opening stock and closing stock of a company. If a laborer is working in a firm and rendering his services for making a correct record of the stock, that is for a specific period of time, then it is a stock concept. Next comes flow. The flow shows change during a period of time. I have mentioned three examples to specify real flow and money flow. First is actual goods and services are real flow because it involves only goods and services. You are rendering services and you are purchasing goods and services. Then payments for the services are money flow, as there is an involvement of money here, so it will be considered as money flow. Third example is import, export, saving, profit, rent, borrowings. It is impossible that we have import, export, saving, profit, rent, borrowings without money. So for these trade facilities we need money. So in money flow there is an involvement of money. Next comes circular flow of income. Refers to cycle of generation of income and its distribution among the factors of production, land, labor, capital and entrepreneur, and finally its circulation from household to firms in the form of consumption expenditure. As I have written, production phase. When you will earn something, that will be your income phase, and that income phase will be converted into expenditure phase because you will spend that income on goods and services. Next, types of circular flow. First is real flow. Real flow can be called as physical flow because there is involvement of goods and services only. You can see it is tangible. The working of real flow now. You are rendering services in a firm. We are households and we are rendering our services in a firm, and firm is giving goods and services in return. Getting food by rendering services in a firm. Next, money flow. Here there is an involvement of money. You are rendering your services. And firm is paying you. Means the owner is paying an employee, and employee further consumes goods and services from that firm only. Suppose we have worked in a biscuit factory and we have purchased those biscuits from the same firm. Okay, from the retailer we have purchased. So it will be a type of money flow. Combination of real flow and money flow means you are rendering services. And you are getting money. So factor payment means a company is paying you and you are purchasing goods and services from that money. Okay, so it will be a combination of real flow and money flow. So in an economy these flows are running together. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.